Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, it has tested our patience like many other cryptos as well, but BNB especially, really just moving sideways. My forecast is still that we should get another low, especially as long as we stay below 269, which means if we break above that level, I would change the scenario. Until then, BNB can move up and down within this current range, all the way up to $269 without invalidating the current scenario. And the current setup basically makes it very likely that BNB goes down lower. Of course, nothing is guaranteed in these markets, but I just haven't got any impulsive price action to the upside of the lows. In fact, it has been a very nice three-wave corrective structure, which of course can go higher, but is it likely? At the moment, not. I don't have any evidence that it is going higher, okay? And it would take a break above that 269 level for me to really believe that a lasting low has been put in place. So far, any upside here has been corrective, which means we had a lot of overlapping price action, typical consolidation. Also, price broke here outside to the downside of this ascending wedge and has retested the trend line from below and successfully retested it, which means we had a reaction to the downside. And yeah, I think it is more primed for a sell-off than it has been over recent weeks. It just needs to happen. The bears just need to show up now. Don't get me wrong, I don't want it to sell off necessarily, but at the moment I just don't have evidence that it has already put a low in place, and this for me is just consolidation in a downtrend. But with one more low, we could find support at $208, and if it's doing that, it could put a lasting low in place there. So it wouldn't necessarily be bearish. Yeah? It would just mean, due to the absence of any impulsive price action to the upside and any attractive trend reversal action, price action, we would still expect another low, and it needs to build a new structure from scratch. But overall, this would still be a bullish scenario, as long as we can find support at $208 and avoid a sustained break below that level. What else to highlight? Well, it would take a break below 230 to really confirm the sell-off. I think only then the downside pressure will increase. At the moment, you can see how stubborn BNB is. It is nearly as if it's waiting for a catalyst from somewhere. So I can just again confirm to you what I said before. Another low is likely, and if it's doing another low below the 10th of June low, no, it's actually the 12th of June, then $208 is relevant support. Below that level, the very important level is $183, $184. At the moment, I'm still watching here on the larger time frame the yellow wave count, basically here, that shows a wave 1 to the upside and a wave 2 into current support, and it could then rally in a third wave, but really needs to hold support at $208. There is no Fibonacci support level below that level, relevant to this scenario at least. So that would mean below $208, I would fully expect to reach 184 and then also a break below it. Because if we break below 208, again, there is no reliable support level left. And then we would likely follow the red wave count, which could eventually take down to $130, $140. And then if we break below that level, then we are breaking below the long-term support, which would be really bearish. But at the moment, I still give it a chance. I just want to see either a rally above $269 or if it's breaking below 230, and that's the preferred scenario at the moment, another low, but then hold support at $208, which would be bullish support. And then if we break above that descending trend line here, yeah, this would be a first signal that a trend reversal is happening, but it will depend on a few factors like structure and everything. So yeah, basically price action is non-existent here at the moment. We're waiting for another low, or at least for some price action that gives us some clarity here. Okay, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.